Every single day, this incredible factory produces thousands of pounds of premium protein powder using cutting-edge technology.
Every batch of premium whey protein is carefully tested before production begins. Advanced laboratory equipment patience. Once every ingredient passes quality inspection, the automated production system begins precise blending. Haters. Inside the high-capacity ribbon blender, every ingredient is mixed with exceptional precision. Advanced.
The blended protein powder now passes through a precision vibrating sifter. This advanced screening system.
After final screening, the ultrafine protein powder enters a fully automated filling system. Computer-controlled machine. Each filled container is automatically sealed to preserve freshness and protect product quality. Robotic capping system.
Once sealed, every container receives its premium label through a fully automated high-speed system.
After passing the final inspection, every protein container enters a fully automated packaging system. With packaging complete, intelligent robotic palletizing systems organize every shipment with agents. Once every order is verified, autonomous logistics systems load the finished products into shipping trailers with incredible precision. After completing its journey through the factory and distribution network, every container arrives at premium retail stores, carefully distributed. After production is complete, every shipment enters a fully automated distribution center. Intelligent. With every quality check complete, the finished products are carefully loaded for shipment. Intelligent logistics. After traveling through an advanced global distribution network, the premium protein powder finally arrives at a specialty nutrition store. 6. After arriving on store shelves, the premium protein powder is finally ready for customers, athletes and fitness enthusiasts. After making the purchase, the journey continues beyond the store. The protein powder now becomes part of an athlete's daily routine. Now the journey reaches its final purpose. After traveling from advanced manufacturing to the hands of an athlete, after every workout, recovery is just as important as training. Thanks to advanced manufacturing, strict quality control schemes. What begins inside a state-of-the-art factory ends in the hands of athletes who trust premium nutrition every day.